Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a young shepherd boy. Every day, he took his flock of sheep to graze in the fields near the village. The boy often found his days long and boring, with nothing to do but watch the sheep and daydream. One day, to amuse himself, the boy decided to play a trick. He ran towards the village shouting,
"Wolf, wolf! Wolf, wolf!"
The villagers, concerned for their sheep, rushed to the field to drive the wolf away. But when they arrived, there was no wolf, only the boy laughing at their expense. But one day, a real wolf did come. The boy cried out in genuine fear.
"Wolf, wolf!"
This time, the villagers, having been tricked twice before, did not believe him. They thought he was playing another trick and did not come to help. Wolf scattered the sheep, and the boy was left to mourn his loss. He learned a valuable lesson that day about the importance of telling the truth. From then on, the boy never lied again, and the villagers, though they forgave him, reminded him of the tale. No one believes a liar, even when he tells the truth.